How do I move that so that I can turn this? This is that little doohickey thing, right?
Okay. See, we were looking at this drain to see if this little fitting here might loosen it up. Where's the new one? Hand me that new one there for a minute. Now see if you have an old one with that. See the 4 lines there? Then theory is if that's down there, you would take this, line it up, and unscrew it with a wrench or something. But see down in here, there's no little angled spots, except there's 2 little nibs where this deal in here has broken off. Okay? Correct. So when this gets put in there, it almost, see, it feels like it's hitting right there, and we might be able to loosen it up with that.
Yeah.
Because see, we were thinking if we couldn't do that, if they're broken off, we put that in there, this spreads, and then you tighten this up, and then this, with just the friction, you can unscrew this drain. Okay, so we're gonna try this first, and see, you could take a pair of a channel wrench on there, or the crescent wrench. Want to try the crescent wrench?
I do.
Okay, and there's flat areas on here, and you can grab that and try to spin that off. And this thing is pretty old, so I'm not sure if she's going to be able to do it, and you're going to go righty tighty, lefty loosey, and so you're going to be over there and try to loosen it. Is it gonna go?
It did.
If anything, you might have broken.
I think I might have
broken off one of those nibs.
Yeah, because it's going all the way down.
Is it all of them are broken off? Because if they are, that's fine.
One is still on there.
Okay. Yeah. We might have to snap that other one off.
Okay.
Try it again, and then we can put that other piece in there. You know what I mean? Boy, look at her. Look at her! I think it's loosening. Is it?
I have to get in there.
Okay, you want to get in? Did she eat her Wheaties this morning, folks?
Yeah.
Or not? That is the question.
Oh, look at
She's
the
gonna
size
get
of
in there. And we had a yoga mat here, but look at her go.
I think the whole thing is moving.
I think it is, and that's what's supposed to be happening, according to Mr. Menard at Menard's Hardware.
Yeah.
See, I think she's turning it. It should have threads on it, is the idea. Look at you. Okay, you might have to grab it again and turn it somewhere.
Yikes.
My phone keeps dinging at me. But we're keeping the camera rolling, folks. Video Joe is kind of running the camera right now so that you can see that just somebody average, another average Joe can do it. Because are you a plumber?
No.
No, neither am I.
I do have a plumber's crack right now, though.
I'm not going to show that, okay? This is a family radio station or video station, and by the way, I'm not seeing any crack.
Oh, jeez.
What happened?
I think it broke it off.
Huh?
I think that little thingy,
Okay.
that nub, broke. No, it didn't.
Let's try it again. The crescent wrench might just be just a hair too big. Spin it on there, tighten it up another try. Try it again here.
Okay.
Oh, this is fun. I'm not doing anything except running the video camera. I'm liking this. Just don't hurt your back, okay? I don't see you have a back support lumbar brace on, so you know.
I should.
Be careful.
This is.
Would you like to try the channel locks?
Maybe.
Yeah, see it.
I think it just stripped
It's
it.
like that
It
thing.
stripped it.
That thing stripped out. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that was a good start. Okay.
Yeah, that was a good
I like this tool. See, that's how it would work if you had that whole little section on there.
Right.
And that's what it's designed to do. But now we're going to take the big boy. We're going to take this. We couldn't really put that in before, okay?
No.
Go ahead. You're going to loosen that up, slip it down in there.
Loosen this up
Well,
like that.
actually put that down in there. And it's going to, see, yeah, just put it in there as far as it'll go.
Well, I have
Like
to
that.
fold little-
Now we're going to have to tighten that nut. And which way do you tighten the nut?
I'm trying to.
We're trying to fit it down in there as far as it'll go. Because that nib, we may have to get a little screwdriver and beat it off.
Yeah.
But that's only going to go down so far anyways. This is only going to go down so far. Oh, there you go. Now let's see. Yeah, that way. Okay, as you're loosening it per se, you're tightening it up in there, and just the friction of that is going to cause that to expand, and then it should start removing that. Do you see what I mean? And what is that? 10-inch? I think that's called a 10-inch crescent wrench. Okay, be careful of rubbing any marks on the tub. You can pull it off if you want. Go half and half. Yeah, just grab it again and go some more. Isn't that weird how this thing works? Kind of ingenious, whoever invented that. Now it should get tighter, and then it should start just loosening the entire thing. Now, depending how old yours is and how rusty it is and all that, it could take some effort getting that sucker off of there.
So now what's supposed to happen?
Well, you just keep going, and that was just like loosening up that other thing, right? This whole thing should start spinning, unspinning. Unspinning.
I can't move it.
You can't?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Okay. You can't move it at all.
No.
Because the other one, when you were spinning it, I could tell it was moving.
It was moving.
It was moving it. Okay, should I get in there?
Yes.
Might have to. I hope that's a big enough wrench. Here, let's set this.
The channel locks.
We'll set this in there. I'm not going to get in there. I want to see if I can do it from out here. Okay, let's just get this. Let's get this set here and find out what the deal is. Hey, what's up with that? Okay. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.